Meaning of DCMS.
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 DCMS. DCMS stands for the Department for Digital, Culture, Media, and Sport. It is a government department in the United Kingdom that is responsible for promoting and regulating various areas of the country's cultural and creative industries, as well as overseeing its digital infrastructure and online safety. DCMS aims to create a vibrant and diverse cultural scene, support the growth of creative businesses, and ensure that the UK remains a world leader in the digital sphere. Overall, DCMS plays an important role in shaping the cultural and technological landscape of the UK.